For the high-heeled shoe, we're going to use a 28mm Paperclip. This is a standard size. You need a round form or a ring cone and your tools. We'll start by opening up the Paperclip with our flat pliers. You can also use 20 gauge stainless steel wire or a half-hard wire of your choice. And you can also open it up by hand, but I prefer using the pliers. So I'm going to start and just do a little bend here at the toe of the shoe. Bend that across here, and then we're going to curve that up a little bit, and then just give this a little bit of a bend again, and then up. So for the back of the shoe, we're just going to take it up here, bend it at a sharp angle, curve it around, and straight down for the heel. We want to hold that there and give it a good sharp bend. So bend it in, and then also bend that out a little bit while we have it opened up a bit. And then we can start to push it in a little bit because we want this to be quite squeezed in. Squeeze that so it's nice and sharp. You could use your round pliers to curve it down a little bit. Adjust this so it's flat. And then here we want to bend this out underneath that first line. So bend it straight out here. And we have what looks like a high heel shoe. And then hold this, curve it out, get your round form, bring this all the way around. You could trim this if it's too long. Otherwise you can just curve it around. And then adjust this so it's level, and there you have a very simplified high-heeled shoe. This one you can see I made the shoe slightly larger, so the band ended up being smaller.